Ya no hay camino que recorra tu pasado, tan solo.
Masisira. Masisira.
Teka, dahan-dahan.
Busog ka dito.
Sandali,
Ayan
dahan-dahan.
na, booking. Ayaw kasi tumayo eh.
Ay, sagana! Pataas yan!
Happy birthday.
To you. Happy birthday.
Dapat mo na yan.
100,000.
Ako na ito maglilinis!
Birthday ngayon ng aking daddy. Ito ang kanyang cake. Yay!
Yung damit ni Mama, sabi mo.
Ando sa bahay.
Hindi mo na.
Ito lang.
Picture ako siya eh. Ako nga. Hindi ako inanon mga anak ko. Dali na naman ang mga anak. Ayaw-ayaw pa. Ako nga, yung mga anak ko, hindi ako ginaganyan.
Ah.
Kain na. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause we were back where we were before. Bilog, ginahanap ko ni Baklaw. Yun. It's nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers. Wondering if you want to stay. Heaven, I don't know. Just once, can we figure out the thing into the wrong? Why we never last forever? What do we do wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally get right? So make the magic last for more than just one night. I hope we just get through it. I know we could wait through it. I did my all, but I did my all and I did too much. Slow and I'm heading anywhere. Since we're always going, whatever we're going, it seems sometimes we all we got, we haven't got away. Just once, can we figure out if we can do wrong? What a good time since everlasting long. What's up to do wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? So make the magic last for more than just one night. Check naman natin guys yung RC battery, aircraft battery level, charging cycle, RTK connection, GPS satellite, landing pad is clear, Tapos yung make sure, RTH. Yan guys. Yan yung aking trabaho guys. Nag-check ako ng form bago lumipad yung drone.